Hi lovelies, welcome back. I'm so super excited to share this delicious recipe, beans and corn porridge pro mass. Sometimes eating beans in some way can be very boring, so I decided to give these beans a twist and take it to another level. These beans was so delicious and the taste was out of this world. Make sure you watch the video to the end. You will love this delicious and amazing recipe. So for this recipe, I will be using some fresh corn. I transferred it in a bowl of water and gave it a properly wash. Once that is done, transfer in a clean pot. Enjoy yourself, follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day. So once I'm done washing in the corn, I added some water to the level of the corn in the pot. Give it a stir, cover the pot and let it cook until the corn is well cooked and soft. Here I will be using some brown beans. You can as well use your black-eyed beans. So now I transfer in a trim pan to pick out any stone or particles. Yeah, as you can see, this is what I got. Now transfer in a bowl. Give it a properly wash. As you can see here, the beans is well washed. So next, in a pot of boiling water, pour in the washed beans, give it a stir, cover and bring to a boil. Belly the turn, stomach the rumble. When there's resin in your belly, my dear, you can't twist. After some minutes now, we are checking on the beans. As you can see, the beans is boiling. Now go ahead and drain out the water. Let me know in the comment section how many times you drain out your beans water. So for me, I repeated this process for the second time. That's a total of 2 times. Okay, once done, take it back to the cooker and continue cooking until the beans is well softened and cooked. As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, follow. Now let's check on the corn. As you can see, the corn is well cooked and softened. So I gave it a stir and turn off the cooker and set aside. So next we are checking on the beans. As you can see, the beans is well cooked, well softened. So next it is time to start cooking. So I added in the cooked corn and gave it a good stir. Pour in some red palm oil. Chopped onions. Add some fresh pepper, add to your taste. Season cubes. Some salt to taste. Some crayfish, add to your taste. Oil beans known as upaka. For the choice of vegetable, I will be using ugu. Yeah, I use the frozen one. You can as well use a fresh one if that is what you have. So here I added in some scent leaf, Once done, cover the pot and let it cook until the water dries up or thickens. Okay. After some minutes now, we are checking on the pot. Yeah, can you see what I'm seeing? Yeah, the water has dried up almost, so I gave it a properly stir. Yeah, if it is too dry, you can as well add little water to it. Okay, so I added the rest of the crayfish and give it a good stir. This is the perfect consistency for this delicious recipe. Not too watering, not too thick. Okay, so now it is time to serve. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So I'll be dropping the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Guys, this food tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you try out these amazing recipes. Thank you for watching and remain blessed. Bye.